Hello, my name is Wyatt Harrell. I'm a tech consultant with Intellius, an Infor Alliance partner consulting firm, and today we are going to be talking about landmark report distribution. Landmark reporting allows for quick and easy mass sharing of reports, and I'm going to show you how. So, all landmark reports can be found in the report catalog, whether they're customized or delivered, and reports can be distributed to an actor group or a role or a group of roles. And all of that can be done within Administration Console under the Reporting tab. So the first thing we would need to do is set up an actor group or role group. I have already set up an actor group for this exercise, so let's go ahead and continue on the process and create a distribution profile. So we are exporting this top report here, this EMP export test file. So we'll name our distribution profile EMP export group. And here we can specify whether it's an actor group or a role group. But as I stated before, we're going with an actor group today. And that actor group is just called test group. Within the profile, we can also specify whether or not we'd like to send out an email notification as well. We can send the file as an attachment. We can send it as a link, both, or just some notification saying it is ready for viewing in the notifications basket here. For this exercise, we'll just leave that out though. So now that we've defined our distribution profile, we can go back to the reporting tab into distribution groups. So now let's go ahead and create our distribution group, EMP export group. And we'll go back and click in. And in the top right ellipses, we can add our profile, which is EMP export group as well. And so now lastly, we need to actually export the report. So we come into the report catalog, we select our desired report, the ellipses. We can export to CSV or print to PDF. It's the same interface. Come into sharing. We select our report distribution group, EMP export group, and we can schedule it or export it now. We'll run through the scheduling process. You can run it once, you can run it hourly or daily. You can specify which day and the time, as well as more per week. So you can select multiple days and times. But for now, we'll just export it directly. So the file should be found in the notifications tab. You come in, double click, and it downloads right to your desktop. Or otherwise, it can be found in the report catalog, print files, will be found right here. So that is how we mass distribute landmark reports, quick and easy. Have a great day.